Hey guys, my name is Tinotenda Kelvin Muzariri, and I currently work at Africa Center Hong Kong in the marketing department and the admin department. On the 5th day of the Afro Multi-Activity Summer Camp, you guys are gonna learn how to be a digital content creator. So on the 5th day of the summer camp, the kids will be able to interact with the content creator, or some of you may know as a YouTuber. This will give them a chance to experience what it's like by doing several activities such as storyboarding, recording, photography, social media, and editing. So you're probably wondering, why should I bring my kid? Normally when people talk about being a content creator, they focus it so much on being a YouTuber. But it's so much more than that, it's about being able to be innovative, whether it's editing a photo or a video. It'll also teach kids to be able to think outside the box and be creative in whatever it is that they would do in their lives. There's so much more than just being a YouTuber around this whole day, and it'll be really beneficial in whatever it is that they will do in the future and even now when they're in school. Be sure to consider this and come to the 5th day of the summer camp and the rest of the days.